Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted guide for discovering smart solutions for everyday pet challenges. Today, we're spotlighting the best housebreaking spray for dogs, the LARICEO 8 ounces dog training spray. Whether you're dealing with a new puppy or an older dog developing bad habits, this product is designed to keep your home mess-free and your training journey smoother. The LARICEO dog training spray is specifically formulated to prevent dogs from marking or soiling areas indoors and outdoors. Its primary purpose is to discourage unwanted bathroom behavior by creating an environment your dog instinctively avoids. If you're constantly cleaning up messes in certain corners, near furniture, or on carpets, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. LARICEO's formulation includes natural, dog-safe ingredients that emit a scent unpleasant to dogs, but not offensive to humans. While dogs have a powerful sense of smell, this product is designed to be subtle to us, which means your guests won't even notice it's there. No overpowering chemical odors, no harsh ingredients, just a gentle but firm reminder for your dog to steer clear. This 8-ounce spray bottle is compact, easy to use, and perfect for application on multiple surfaces. You can spray it on furniture legs, carpets, doorways, corners, basically, any spot that your dog seems to return to again and again. It works for both indoor and outdoor use, so it's great for patios, garden areas, and entryways too. Unlike many training sprays that are either too harsh or ineffective, LARICEO finds a balance. It's gentle, yet impactful. And as a bonus, the product includes a free dog clicker training device, making it easier to pair scent training with sound-based behavioral reinforcement. If you're working on door training, crate training, or just general obedience, this little add-on is a useful touch. One of the biggest frustrations for pet owners is the time and stress involved in correcting marking behavior. LARICEO's spray is designed to speed up the process. Many users find that repeated use over just a few days helps condition their dog to avoid the targeted areas completely. Combine this with consistent positive reinforcement, and you could see real progress without the need for scolding or punitive measures. It's also a great solution for multi-dog households or those introducing a new dog to the home. Territorial marking is common when pets are adjusting to new dynamics. A spray like this helps reduce conflict and confusion by clearly establishing which areas are off-limits. Application is simple. Shake the bottle, spray it on the desired area, and let it air dry. Reapply daily or as needed until the behavior stops. The 8-ounce size provides enough product for several weeks of use, even with regular application. And let's not forget, the brand behind this spray, LARICEO, emphasizes safety and quality. Their products are made with a focus on pet wellness, which means you can train your dog confidently without exposing them to unnecessary chemicals. To sum it up, if you're tired of cleaning up dog messes, dealing with territorial marking, or struggling with housebreaking challenges, LARICEO's 8 ounces dog training spray is a smart, safe, and effective ally. It's discreet, easy to use, and comes with a training clicker to help reinforce the good behaviors you want to see. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we test, assess, and spotlight solutions that make life with pets cleaner, happier, and more manageable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what other pet products you'd like us to review. See you next time.